Don't do this at home. Dangerous. Let's show you some magic. My signature dish, Chinese dumplings. I make this a million times. Today I'm going to show you how I make this. Sprinkle some flour on your surface so your dough won't stick on the surface. We divide the dough in half. Divide them again. Long piece here. Small pieces. Divide around 22-25 grams. This is how I make the dumpling wrappers when I grew up in China. With my mom. Press down to the one little piece dough. You press down, then you, with the rolling pin, you roll the side. Just keep turning. Left hand, keep turning. Right hand, keep rolling. So you got the edges pretty thin. Then the center is a little thick. The finished dumpling on here, the whole thing in the freezer for the tray. It's easy to take off the tray because you have to put it in the Ziploc. You can keep it. Wrap the dumpling since I was a little girl with my mom. This is the way we make it. I think it's more personality and easier. You don't have to make a perfect folds on each one. Fold over. Just pinch the edges. So much fun making this. Most important part, crossover. Thumb, index finger, then just squeeze the belly out. Look at that. Got another one. I cover with a damp cheesecloth, or I can use plastic wraps. First, maybe I need to change my outfit to make a dumpling sauce. Maybe something casual. Oh, I like this. Yeah, whole peppers. Let's make into chili powder.